When choosing between aluminum and cast iron pipe wrenches, it's important to consider their key differences in weight, durability, and functionality. Aluminum pipe wrenches are lightweight, making them easier to handle, especially for those who are new to plumbing or need to use the wrench for extended periods. This makes aluminum wrenches ideal for tasks that don't require heavy force, such as working with smaller pipes or in tight spaces. The reduced weight also makes them less fatiguing for users, making them more comfortable for occasional or DIY use. On the other hand, cast iron pipe wrenches are much heavier and more durable. The additional weight provides more torque, which is useful for heavy-duty plumbing tasks, such as loosening large, stubborn pipes. Cast iron wrenches are built to last and are less likely to deform under high stress. They are often the preferred choice for professional plumbers who need a reliable tool for demanding jobs. However, cast iron wrenches are bulkier and may be harder to handle for those who are less experienced or need a more portable tool. They can also cause fatigue during prolonged use. Ultimately, the choice between aluminum and cast iron comes down to the type of work you plan to do. For lighter, everyday tasks, an aluminum pipe wrench is a great choice, while cast iron is better suited for heavy-duty plumbing jobs that require greater strength and durability.